Hello and welcome to your second drama lesson. The first task as you are entering the room is to complete the retrieval quiz which is on the board. Question 1. Give 2 alternative names for a freeze frame. Question 2. What is a split stage? 3. What are the rules for a freeze frame? Remember to answer in full sentences. Question 1. Give 2 alternative names for a freeze frame. The answers are still image and tableau. 2. What is a split staging? Split staging is where you use 2 sides of the stage to show different locations or scenes. 3. What are the rules for a freeze frame? The rules for a freeze frame are no moving, no talking, face the front, use levels, clear facial expressions and no blocking. If you have any of these answers incorrect, please write the correct answers next to the relevant questions. Outcomes for today. You're going to create different scenes using still image and developing this further by exploring the use of thought tracking and stepping out. Why? To understand the expectations when using a thought track and stepping out, and to explore how the thought track and stepping out can help the audience to further understand what is going on and what the characters are like. Thought tracking. Thought tracking allows the actor to explain the character's thoughts and feelings to the audience. The actor must talk directly to the audience and must pretend that the other characters can't hear. This is an opportunity for the audience to get to know the actors or the characters in more detail. Rules for creating your thought tracking. So, first of all, you need a loud and clear voice. The audience needs to be able to hear you. Clear facial expressions to show how you're feeling. No blocking. Face the audience as always with a still image and all performances, and remember that you are voicing your thoughts to the audience only. Therefore, your thoughts should be spoken as I hate him, I hate Dave, etc. rather than I hate you. You will now see an example of how thought tracking is used alongside a still image. Please note that this video was recorded before the coronavirus outbreak. As a class, we are going to create a still image showing a party scene. Your teacher will point at you rather than tap you on the shoulder, and when they do, you are going to tell the audience what your character is thinking. Remember, you are not speaking to the other characters in the scene, you are speaking about them or about the situation. Remember to use lots of space, at least 2 meters apart from the next person, and speak loudly and clearly when delivering your thought. Your teacher will tell you which direction you will need to face. Stepping out. Stepping out is similar to thought tracking. The only difference is that you are not tapped on the shoulder or told when to speak your thoughts. In groups, you will create 3 different examples of still images and you will take it in turns to unfreeze. Step towards the audience, deliver your thought track before returning to your position in the still image. You could step out from left to right or in any order that suits you. Your scenario is a family sitting at a table for dinner. You have 10 minutes to create your still images and your step outs. Differentiation and challenge. Perhaps you want to challenge yourself a little bit further. Add a line of narration at the start of your still image to help inform the audience of what is happening. This is called narration. Or you could add more still images and use split staging. It is now time to perform and evaluate. Remember, you will need to sit as a quality audience and you are thinking about what was effective about the performance and what would need to be